Lol, what happened? Why the stars are shining a lot? Do you know what happened? Where are those clouds which were coming almost very starting in the Maghrib time? They disappeared. And I will show you the photos of the sky with clarity of the stars. So you will see that stars do not shine by themselves. Stars do not appear by nature. And clouds do not work by nature. Obviously, that is the reason they are not here. It's a clear sky with stars shining out because nature is under control of Allah. Nothing can work without His permission. So, what you are seeing, you might be wondering, oh, clouds are coming in the Maghrib. No, they disappeared. Allahu Akbar.